What is up, everyone? It's your boy Money, and today we are about to blow your mind. What if I told you that the shiny rectangle in your pocket, the one you're probably watching this on right now, isn't just for scrolling TikToks or texting your friends? What if your phone could make you real money starting today? I'm talking about actual cash, direct deposits, moolah, dinero, the good stuff. We're not talking about some complicated scheme or a get-rich-quick fantasy. We're talking about legitimate, proven ways to turn your screen time into serious income. Forget just wasting time on your phone. It's time to make your phone waste debt. I've spent weeks, no, months digging through the app stores, testing, trying, and finding the absolute best of the best. These aren't just any apps. These are the heavy hitters, the game changers, the ones that are actually putting money into people's pockets. We're talking about apps that pay you to shop, to walk, to take photos, even to do simple tasks you might already be doing for free. Imagine getting paid for something as simple as snapping a picture or giving your opinion. It sounds insane, but it's real, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So buckle up, smash that like button, and prepare to have your financial world rocked. Let's dive into the top 10 money-making apps that are helping millions, yes, millions, turn screen time into income. We're going to break down each one, show you the potential, and by the end of this video, you'll have a whole arsenal of tools to start earning. This isn't clickbait. This is your financial wake-up call. Let's go! All right, kicking off our list at number 10, we have Rakuten. Now listen carefully, because this one is an absolute no-brainer. Imagine this. You're already shopping online, buying your favorite clothes, gadgets, groceries, whatever. With Rakuten, you do the exact same thing, but now you get actual cash back. I'm not kidding. They partner with over 3,500 stores. Think big names like Target, Walmart, Macy's, eBay. You just shop through their portal or browser extension, and bam! A percentage of what you spend comes right back to you. It's like finding free money every time you click buy. This is the definition of passive earning, people. You set it up once, and it just works in the background, stacking up your savings without you lifting an extra finger. There's zero effort involved beyond the initial sign-up, which takes like 2 minutes. Think about all the online shopping you do in a year. Now imagine getting a cut of that back. It could be hundreds, even thousands of dollars just for doing what you were already going to do. This isn't a gimmick. It's a smart shopping strategy that literally pays you. If you're not using Rakuten, you're basically throwing money away, and we don't do that here. Next up at number 9, we've got Foap. For all you aspiring photographers, or even if you just like snapping cool pics on your phone, this one's for you. Stop letting those amazing photos just sit in your camera roll collecting digital dust. Foap lets you turn your everyday snapshots into actual spendable cash. It's crazy simple. You take photos, you upload them to the Foap marketplace, and then big brands, small businesses, and marketing agencies can buy them for their campaigns, websites, or social media. Your picture of a sunset could be their next ad. Think about it. That cool shot of your coffee, that amazing landscape from your last hike. Even a well-composed selfie could be exactly what a brand is looking for. You don't need a fancy DSLR. Your smartphone camera is powerful enough to capture images that sell. Brands are always looking for authentic, real-life content, and that's where you come in. Your camera roll could literally be a goldmine waiting to be tapped. So start scrolling through your gallery, find those hidden gems, and get them on Foap. You could be making money from pictures you've already taken. It's like a treasure hunt where the treasure is in your pocket. Coming in hot at number 8 is Sweatcoin. This app is literally going to pay you to walk. Yes, you heard me right. Every single step you take, whether you're walking to the store, jogging in the park, or even just pacing around your house, earns you Sweatcoins. It's like your daily steps are being converted into a digital currency. This is mind-blowing stuff, guys. It turns your everyday movement, something you're already doing, into a rewarding experience. No more feeling like your daily commute is wasted time. Now every step is putting coins in your virtual pocket. And what can you do with these Sweatcoins? You can trade them for actual goods, cool gadgets, fitness gear, gift cards, amazing services, experiences, or even, in some cases, convert them into cold, hard cash or cryptocurrency. The marketplace is always updating with new offers. It's an incredible motivator to get moving, stay healthy, and earn rewards. Imagine getting discounts on your favorite brands or even a new pair of headphones just because you decided to take the stairs instead of the elevator. Walk, earn, repeat. It's that simple. This app is changing the game for fitness and finance. Chapter 4. Local gigs, big bucks, TaskRabbit to the rescue. All right, At number 7, we have TaskRabbit. And this is for all the hustlers out there looking for flexible ways to make some serious cash. Got some spare time and willing to do some odd jobs? TaskRabbit connects you with people in your local area who need help with all sorts of tasks. We're talking assembling IKEA furniture, we've all been there, helping someone move a couch, running errands like picking up groceries, doing handyman work, yard work, even virtual assistants. The variety is huge, and you get to pick the tasks that suit your skills and schedule. The best part, you set your own rates and availability. You're essentially your own boss. Need some fast cash this weekend? Hop on TaskRabbit, find a few gigs and get paid quickly, often right after you complete the job. It's incredibly flexible. If you've got skills, any skills, from being strong enough to lift boxes to being patient enough to decipher flat pack furniture instructions, there's someone willing to pay you for your time and effort. Stop sitting around wondering how to make extra money. TaskRabbit puts the power directly in your hands to go out and earn it. At Chapter 5. Paid for watching videos and clicking. InboxDollars insanity. Number 6 on our list is InboxDollars, and this one almost feels like cheating, but I promise it's legit. How would you like to get paid for things you probably do online for free anyway? With InboxDollars, you can earn cash for watching short videos and movie trailers, taking online surveys, reading promotional emails, and even playing games. Each little click, each short video, each survey completed adds a little bit of money to your account. It might seem like small amounts at first, but trust me, it adds up. Think about all those times you're waiting in line, on your commute, or just chilling on the couch. Instead of mindlessly scrolling, you could be racking up dollars with InboxDollars. They even give you a sign-up bonus just for joining. It's one of the easiest ways to make a little extra pocket money without needing any special skills or a huge time commitment. Just dedicate a bit of your downtime and watch your earnings grow. They pay out in real cash via PayPal or gift cards, so it's actual money you can spend. It's like turning your idle screen time into a mini ATM. Chapter 6, $5 gigs to a $50,000. Empire, Fiverr power, cracking our top 5, it's Fiverr. This platform is an absolute game changer for anyone with a skill they can offer as a service. The concept started with gigs for just $5, but oh boy, has it evolved. You can offer almost anything: writing articles, editing videos, designing logos, voiceovers, social media management, proofreading, programming, music creation, virtual assistant tasks. If you can do it digitally, you can sell it on Fiverr. You set your own prices, create your own packages, and build your own freelance brand from the ground up. This isn't just about making a few extra bucks. People are building full-blown careers and six-figure businesses on Fiverr. You start small, deliver quality work, get good reviews, and then you can start raising your prices and attracting bigger clients. It's a global marketplace, so your potential client base is huge. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out and want to monetize a hobby, Fiverr gives you the platform to showcase your talents and get paid what you're worth. From a simple $5 logo to a $1,000 video editing project, the sky's the limit. Chapter 7. Serious freelance, serious pay. Moving on to number 4, we have Upwork. If Fiverr is like the entry-level and mid-tier marketplace for freelancers, Upwork is where you go for more serious, often higher-paying and longer-term projects. This platform connects skilled freelancers with businesses and individuals looking for top-tier talent. We're talking about clients who are ready to invest in quality work, from startups to Fortune 500 companies. If you're a professional writer, developer, designer, marketer, consultant, or have any other high-demand skill, Upwork can be your gateway to substantial income. You create a detailed profile showcasing your expertise, portfolio, and desired rates. Then you can bid on projects or get invited to apply by clients. The projects range from hourly contracts to fixed-price milestones, giving you flexibility in how you work and get paid. It's more competitive than some other platforms, but the potential rewards are significantly greater. This is where you can land projects that pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars, build long-lasting client relationships, and truly establish yourself as a professional freelancer. It's about finding real pay for real skilled work. Chapter 8. Your house makes you rich. Airbnb, your space. At number 3, we have a titan in the sharing economy, Airbnb. This app can turn your unused space into a serious income-generating asset. We're not just talking about a spare bedroom, although that's a great start. You can rent out an entire apartment or house, a guest house, a unique space like a tree house or a boat, or even just your driveway for parking in a busy area. If you have extra space, Airbnb provides the platform to connect you with travelers and guests looking for unique, often more affordable accommodation than traditional hotels. Think about the potential here. Depending on your location, the type of space, and how often you make it available, you could be earning hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month. You're in control of your pricing, availability, and house rules. Airbnb handles the bookings, payments, and even offers host protection. This can be a fantastic way to make your mortgage payments, save for a big trip, or just build up a substantial side income. It's leveraging an asset you already have to make it work for you. Your empty room could be someone's dream vacation spot and your ticket to extra cash. Chapter 9. Be your own boss, deliver and earn instantly. DoorDash Daily Cash. Sliding into the number 2 spot is DoorDash. In today's world, food delivery is huge, and DoorDash lets you grab a piece of that delicious pie. This app allows you to become a delivery driver or dasher on your own terms. You get to be your own boss, set your own hours, and work when and where you want. All you need is a reliable vehicle, car, scooter, or even a bike in some areas, and your smartphone. You log into the app, see available delivery opportunities in your area, accept the ones you want, pick up the food and deliver it. It's straightforward and incredibly flexible. One of the coolest things about DoorDash is the ability to cash out your earnings daily with their fast pay feature. That means if you need money now, you can go out, do a few deliveries, and have that cash in your bank account almost immediately. Plus, you can often earn more during peak times like lunch and dinner rushes, or during bad weather when demand spikes. You also get to keep 100% of your tips. It's a fantastic option for those who value independence, need a flexible schedule, and want the satisfaction of seeing their hard work turn into instant pay. Chapter 10. From $1 to a millionaire, Robinhood investing power. And finally, our number 1 app for making real money with your phone is Robinhood. Now this one is a bit different. It's about building long-term wealth. Robinhood revolutionized the investing world by offering commission-free trading. That means you can buy and sell stocks, options, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and even cryptocurrencies without paying those pesky fees that used to eat into your profits. This makes investing accessible to everyone, even if you're starting with just a few dollars. You can literally buy a fraction of a share in huge companies like Apple or Amazon. The power here is compound growth. By investing regularly, even small amounts, you can build a significant portfolio over time. Robinhood makes it easy to research companies, track your investments, and learn as you go. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about making smart financial decisions and letting your money work for you to build lasting wealth. Imagine turning $10 a week into thousands, or even tens of thousands over the years. This app puts the tools of Wall Street right into the palm of your hand, empowering you to take control of your financial future. It's not just an app. It's a wealth-building machine. Outro: which app will make you rich? The choice is yours. And there you have it. 10 absolutely incredible apps that can turn your phone into a certified money-making machine. We've covered everything from getting cash back on your shopping with Rakuten to selling your photos with Foap, getting paid to walk with Sweatcoin, doing local gigs on TaskRabbit, earning from simple clicks on InboxDollars, freelancing your skills on Fiverr and Upwork, renting your space on Airbnb, delivering food with DoorDash, and even building long-term wealth with Robinhood. The possibilities are insane. These apps aren't just tools, they're digital income engines. Each one offers a unique way to leverage your time, your skills, or even your existing habits to generate real income. Whether you're looking for a little extra pocket money, a significant side hustle, or even a path to financial independence, there's an app on this list that can help you get there. The power is literally in your hands right there on your smartphone. Don't let it just be a device for consumption. Turn it into a device for creation and earning. So the big question is, which one will power your next paycheck? Which app are you going to download first? Don't just watch this video and forget about it. Pick one, try it out, and start your journey to making money with your phone today. Let me know in the comments which app you're most excited about. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, because we've got way more money-making secrets coming your way. Thanks for watching, and go make that money.